Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, pardon the interruption Microsoft Store error in Windows 11, 10. Type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Update Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Open Update Orchestrator service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Turn off and turn on set the time zone automatically. Turn off and turn on set the time automatically. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.